Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Special Ed Talk. I'm Dr. Kotha Hamid Abdullah, your host. Today we're talking about an essential topic that's important for many parents and caregivers with children with autism and Down syndrome, toilet training. I know this can be a challenging journey, but with the right strategies, patience, and understanding, it's absolutely possible to help your child succeed. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps more people find this content and supports families who might be searching for guidance. Together, we can make a difference for children and their families. Now, let's begin. Toilet training isn't just about age. It's about observing your child and understanding their readiness. For children with autism or Down syndrome, readiness might look different. Pay attention to small signs like staying dry for longer periods, showing discomfort with a dirty diaper, or curiosity about the bathroom routine. It is also important to set the stage before starting training. This means familiarizing your child with the bathroom environment and making it a comfortable space for them. Some children, this might mean introducing the toilet slowly, even before asking them to sit on it. Use a specially designed potty seat or stool. Sometimes the size of a standard toilet can feel overwhelming for children. A potty seat with a smaller opening can make them feel more secure and stable. A step stool can help them feel grounded, making it easier to climb onto the toilet and stabilize their feet while sitting. Many children resist sitting on the toilet because they feel unsafe or unbalanced. This resistance isn't behavioral. It's about comfort and trust. By adjusting the toilet to fit their needs, you can reduce this fear. Let your child explore the potty seat or stool first. Allow them to touch it, decorate it with stickers, or watch you demonstrate on how to use it. Gradual exposure will help build their confidence. Create a toileting routine with a timer. For children with autism and even those with Down syndrome, routines provide structure and predictability. By taking them to the bathroom at consistent times, like after meals, before naps, and before bed, you can help them associate these moments with toileting. A routine helps children understand what is expected. It also increases the likelihood of catching them when their bladder is naturally full, leading to successful attempts. Use a timer with a gentle sound or vibration to signal bathroom time. Pair this with a visual schedule showing steps like walk to the bathroom, sit on the toilet, and wash your hands. The repetition helps reinforce the habit. Use motivators or rewards that match your child's interests. Motivation is key, and every child has something that they love, whether it's a favorite toy or activity. Using these rewards can make the process exciting and encourage cooperation. However, avoid food rewards. Children may not find toileting necessarily rewarding, so external motivators can bridge the gap. Over time, you can phase out rewards as the habit becomes ingrained. Start by showing the reward before toileting. When you sit on the potty, you'll get a star, for example. If your child resists, break the task into smaller steps, like rewarding them for walking to the bathroom or sitting on the toilet fully clothed. You may need to address specific sensory challenges. Children with autism often experience heightened sensory sensitivities, which can make the bathroom environment overwhelming. The sound of flushing, the feel of a cold toilet seat, or even the lighting can trigger discomfort. Understanding these challenges help you adapt the environment to your child's needs, making it more inviting and less stressful. If the sound of flushing is a concern, you can flush for your child from a distance, or better yet, use noise-canceling headphones so they can flush themselves. For cold seats, consider a padded cover. Gradually expose them to sensory aspects of the bathroom in a way that feels safe. Incorporate play into the process. Play can make toilet training fun and less intimidating. Use toys to model the process, turning toileting into a game that helps engage your child in a non-threatening way. Children often learn through imitation. When they see their favorite toy using the potty, It normalizes the activity and reduces anxiety. Use a doll or an action figure to demonstrate each step. Say, look, your doll is using the potty just like you will. Encourage your child to imitate these actions, starting with simple steps like just sitting on the toilet. Transition gradually from diapers to underwear because for some children, the shift from diapers to underwear can feel like a big change. Training pants or thick cloth underwear offer a middle ground while still encouraging independence. Underwear with fun designs can make the transition exciting as well. Letting your child choose their favorite pattern or color gives them a sense of ownership and pride. Start by explaining, diapers are for sleeping, but during the day we wear underwear because we use the potty. Celebrate this milestone with enthusiasm and remind them frequently to use the bathroom. Despite your best efforts, challenges will arise. Some children may fear the toilet itself, while others might struggle to sit still. Here is how you can address these issues. If your child fears the toilet, introduce it to them in a gradual, non-threatening way. Let your child explore it, flush it when it's empty, or sit on it fully clothed. If your child is resistant to sitting, start with very short periods, just a few seconds, and gradually increase the time. Pair this with a preferred activity like reading a book or playing a game. When accidents happen, respond calmly, reassure your child, it's okay, we'll try again next time, and reinforce the routine without blame. Toilet training is a journey, not a race. Celebrate each small step from sitting on the toilet to flushing or staying dry for longer periods. Remember, patience and consistency are your greatest tools. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps me create more content for families who need it. And if you have any tips or questions about toilet training, children with autism, or other challenges, share them in the comments below. Let's support one another. Until next time, take care and keep breaking barriers.